Good morning. Good afternoon. My name is Samuel Brisibe. I'm a member of the team for the second responder, that is the Governor, His Excellency Oyediri.
Okay, you're getting close to the final stage of this matter. Of course, we know that we're early to respond. How do you feel today?
We're quite confident because actually what the Court of Appeal did today is basically what we've known as a team, because the law is clear. And that's what we put forward to the Court of Appeal in both appeals. And as it is, the court agreed with us on almost all the points that we raised with respect to their case being one of pre-election, with respect to whether they failed to prove their case. And I think that's if they decide to go forward to the Supreme Court, I think that's what we should expect as well.
Thank you very much.
I am Samuel Brisibe, a member of the team for the second respondent. That's His Excellency Oyediri.
Thank you very much.
Samuel Brisibe, Brisibe.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Party representative.
Okay, my name is Somina John. I'm part of the council for the fourth respondents, PDP, the party that sponsored the second and the third respondent. That's Senator Oyediri and Senator Lawrence Erujapo.
Your reaction to the two petitions, the two appeals, right?
Yeah. So this morning, the Court of Appeal delivered judgment with respect to the appeals filed by Udeng Seradiri of the Labour Party and Mike Akims, challenging the decision of the Election Tribunal that dismissed their petition and affirmed the election of the Governor Oyediri and Deputy Governor Lawrence Erujapo as winners of the election and qualified candidates. So today, the Court of Appeal has affirmed it as correct, and I think that should put the matter to rest.
On the issue of forged certificates, signing the petition of the tribunal.
Now, the issue of forgery was duplicated in both appeals, and the courts affirmed the finding by the tribunal that there was failure to prove forgery against the Deputy Governor of Bayelsa State, Lawrence Erujapo, and we hope that this will put the matter to rest finally. As a matter of fact, the court also found that as of 2020, the Court of Appeal has reached a similar finding, even the Supreme Court, on this particular issue. So this should put the matter to rest. We hope so.
Thank you. Your name again, please.
Somina, Somina, John Johnbull, Fourth respondent.
For PDP.